7:20 p.m. 1/1912. Observer West Virginia, Grant County. Cabins 1 North Northeast T3:25 p.m. 1/19. Train Spotter, Mineral County. Kaiser T8:25 p.m. 1/19. Call Center, Burlington East T7:15 p.m. 1/19. Train Spotter, Pendleton County. Cherry Grove 6 West Southwest T3:35 p.m. 1/19. Train Spotter. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Station KEC 83, broadcasting from the National Weather Service Office in Sterling, Virginia, and transmitting on a frequency of 162.400 MHz from an antenna located in Pikesville, Maryland. The 3 a.m. observation in Baltimore. At BWI Airport, with light rain and fog. The temperature was 41 degrees. Dew point 41. Humidity was 100%. Winds were east at 9 miles an hour, and the barometric pressure was 29.47 inches and falling. Now for some observations from the surrounding area. At the Inner Harbor, 42 degrees. At Annapolis, the temperature was 45. Wind southeast at 8 miles an hour. At Martin State Airport, light rain was occurring. Temperature 41 degrees. Northeast wind at 5. At Westminster, the temperature was 39. Wind southeast at 8 miles an hour. At Washington National Airport, light rain was occurring. 46 degrees. Variable wind at 6. At Pawtuxet River Naval Air Station, light rain was falling, which reduced the visibility to 1/2 of a mile. It was 48. South wind at 3 miles an hour. At Salisbury, cloudy skies. It was 56. Wind southwest at 3 miles an hour. At Ocean City, with light rain and fog. It was 50 degrees. Southwest wind at 15. At Dover, fog was reported. 46 degrees. Winds east at 6. At Wilmington.
Well, that does it there, folks. So, yeah. They were talking about some kind of wind storm warning. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.